Hey guys, back again today with another tool haul video. I had a couple of items come in that I'm doing for my little small go bag to carry back and forth between my truck, my work truck, take on trips. A couple of items for my Vito Tech MC bag, and then a couple of items for my TP4B bag. So we're going to jump right into it and go over what we got. First up is the 7-inch Pliers wrench, 8601 180. I got the 125 the other day in the chrome finish. I decided to go with the black finish on this one because it has the same grips on the handle as the Cobras, and plus I like blacked out tools a little bit, and I do like this grip a little better. Feels really great in the hand. Really impressed with it. I love my 125. To me, this feels about like the perfect just carry around size to do odd and end jobs. I am eventually gonna get a 10 or a bigger one for heavy duty stuff, but I think this is gonna be the main deal right here. I really like this piece. I mean, these pliers are phenomenal, and you can't go wrong buying these. Alright. I did get two 7 1/4 inch Cobras. I got one for my Tech MC and one for my TP4B. These are 8701 180s. These feel real great in the hand too. I like this size a little bit better. I do currently carry the 250s in both bags. Nothing wrong with that. That's an excellent tool too. I wanted a little smaller carry piece too for smaller jobs. I mean, man, these things are great for the size they are. These are going to be perfect. Highly recommend the Cobras. I mean, there's a million videos of Cobras on YouTube, but if you haven't bought a pair of Knipex Cobras yet, just go ahead and spend the money and buy you a pair. I'm eventually going to get one of every size they have just because I love them. And I believe in buying quality tools. You can't go wrong with those. Next up is a 6 1/4 inch combination pliers, 0301 160. This is one of the items I got to go in my little small EDC go bag. These do have the regular slick grips on them, the dipped handles. Also grab a nut or a bolt head in there, and got the cutters. And these things are smooth. Man, these feel great. These are a good small carry size to do odd and end small jobs. I do already have the regular lineman's pliers, the 09, 01 240s, and I love these too. I mean that I mean, you can't beat that. They're $40 something, but I'll pay it. I ain't got a problem with it. And these are the 5.5 inch high leverage diagonal cutters, 74 01 140s. Another item for my small tool bag. Look at that, the handle just falls open, pulling them out of the pack. Got a good bit of oil on them. But I mean, these little babies right here, look at that. You can't ask for nothing no better than that in a diagonal cutter. You can really get a good purchase on these. They're gonna be great. So if you're looking for a pair of small cutters, 7401 140s feel great. Check them out. Next up is the 5.5 inch long nose pliers wood cutters, 25 01 140. Another small bag tool. Just a little bit more stiffer than the cutters, but they still smooth. Real nice compact size. Got the cutters. Got the teeth where you can grip. Be a small pair of pliers, you can get a good purchase on these too. The regular slip dipped handles on here. These feel great. And back to the Cobra theme. This is the 6 inch Cobras. 8701 150. Sorry, plastic packaging though. I got the 125s the other day. I decided to go ahead and jump on the 150s. Got the 250s. These feel great too. I mean, these would be great for small odd and end jobs. Got the typical Cobra grip on them. Love that grip. Can't say enough about the Cobras. Alright, this next item, I've heard it pronounced two different ways. I've heard it pronounced Wera, and I've heard it pronounced Wera. Well, I'm a South Georgia redneck, so I'm going to say Wera. I typically say stuff how it looks. But man, let me tell you, I have read and read and read reviews and watched videos on this tool here. And I finally jumped on it for my small go bag. And this is probably some of the best packaging I have ever seen on a tool. I mean, this is fantastic. This is the Tool Check Plus. I am in the States, so this is an Imperial edition. Most of my stuff I use is standard inch. But man, this thing is some kind of sweet. Flip up right there. Bits flip out. Easy to get to. Easy to pull out. Slide that over and get to your little stubby bit ratchet, and it'll hold both the bits or the adapter for the sockets. Great little tool for hard to reach areas. I really like this hump in here. It gets a real good purchase right there between them two fingers, and then that little curve right there for that third to rest on feels great. You can take the bit adapter or the socket adapter, boy, that sounds so smooth. Boy, that's gonna work great. A lot of the lock stuff I deal with is little tall, little small confined areas. I do a little bit of access control too. Plus I really wanted a real nice multi-tool to go into my little EDC go bag. This is it. Small screwdriver on the end. That is real tiny. Put the bits in it and put the socket adapter in there. And there's also this to use with it, magnetic bit holder. And you can hold it right here and spin it. Just a great quality piece. I mean, this is high quality tool here. And I'll put the link down to it below in the description where I bought it from. Turn that around so the writing faces out. I'm funny about my stuff like that. Great tool. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Highly recommend it. Next up is the Knipex shears. This is the 95 0510 SBs, 160s. These come with a sheath. Sorry about that. My wife just sent me a text message saying she was getting off from work. But man, these feel great too. I watched a couple of videos on these shears, and they cut through stuff like butter. Look really great. I'm eventually going to put these in a little spot up here on my TP4B. That's the bag I got them for. Really nice. Invest in a good pair of shears. And up next is not necessarily really a tool, but I've seen this in a few videos. And this is a little kneeling pad with a carabiner to hook onto your tool bag. Little 6 by 4 inch kneeling pad. Really come in handy if you have to kneel on concrete. I'm getting to the point where my knees want to hurt me a little bit. I had to get one of these. Ergodyne ProFlex kneeling pad. And I'll put the link down below. I got this off of Amazon. It's gonna work great. And this came yesterday. This is a Maxpedition Beefy EDC go bag. I'm not going to open it up because I'm still working on it. I got a few items in there. But I do got my Daniel Defense patch on there. I got to rep them. Make excellent rifles. I'll do a loadout video on this as soon as I get done with it. Alright guys, that wraps up what I got. Again, thank y'all for watching the videos, tuning in. I really appreciate it. Y'all keep checking back and I'll post some more tool videos, and the weather's getting a little bit better. I am fit to start doing some fishing, so I am going to post some fishing videos. So thanks guys, have a good evening.